Guys, can I ask you something? When you sneeze, do you feel anything happen in your nose? So when I sneeze, for like exactly 5 seconds, I smell a chemical. And yesterday, I smelled like a cloth. And it smelled the exact same chemical. I swear! And I'm wondering if people have that too. Have you never like smelled something every time you sneeze?
Thanks, Google. A chemical smell when sneezing can indicate a sinus infection, which leads to the buildup of odor-causing bacteria in the sinuses. It could also be caused by poor oral hygiene or dental issues spreading odors through the nasal passages, or potentially by underlying health issues like kidney problems, which might produce an ammonia-like odor.
Guys, what does ammonia smell like? Like pee? Ew, no, it doesn't smell like pee. It smells like bleach. Bleach. A little bit like bleach. You know what it smells like? The inside of an airplane. Kidneys? Stop. Stop scaring me. Stop scaring me. Stop scaring me.